Welcome back from the break. You're still watching SSPC English News Hour coming to you live from the capital, Juba. Now, the National Minister of Roads and Bridges, Simon Mijok, is in Ruweng attending Ruweng Community Dialogue in the capital, Panriang. Speaking to the media, Ruweng Minister of Information, Culture, Youth and Sports, James Arop Ayuel, said the conference in its second day discussed the governance process and developing customary laws. The chairperson of Ruweng Youth Association in Juba, Achwil Makwe, which also spoke to the media.
Today, we had also some topics like issues of governance, how we should govern ourselves, issues of customary law, how rules and regulations should be passed to our communities, because we had those customary laws before, but today people want to revise them and see into it that in future those customary laws worked for our communities of Ruweng. Of course, everybody is very happy. The conference is organized well, and everybody is talking freely, expressing their views about the way we should govern ourselves, how we should bring in our leaders.
The benefit of this conference is to discuss our issues, employment issues, security issues, and how to govern ourselves. Because since the establishment of Ruweng administrative area, there is no law on the ground. That's why the CA have think about this. There is no government without law. That's why they come up with this conference. We have made it in Juba last year, October, but we made it here this year in Ruweng administrative area, and all the 8 counties, they have bring all the delegates, and all youth are here, and they are very happy, and all the leaders from different levels.
Ruweng Community Conference opens in Panriang. Crossing to Ruweng administrative area, where community conference has begun in the capital Panriang on Monday. The conference is meant to address the challenges facing the Ruweng community, including security and economy. Jackson Lagu reports.
A 4-day Ruweng Community Conference began in Panriang on Monday. Speaking at the event, the first Deputy Speaker of the Council of Estates, Mary Ayen Majok, described the conference as an important step to address the community problems through the voice of people.
So the reason number one, I'm not talking much, is that we are here to listen to you. You equally want to listen to your brothers and sisters. And I believe Ruweng will be great with all our contributions. We will continue to listen to you, and I believe we will come out with good recommendations that will help us, that will really contribute to the Ruweng we want. And it should not, we need to define our future, but we need to bring along.
The Chief Administrator of Ruweng Administrative Area, Stefano Yemalek, said the conference is meant to address the matters facing the community.
So we are here to bring these voices of our local community into the process. So that we define our direction and our destiny. So we are here to sit and agree on our common future. Mustaqbal al-umma, mustaqbal la yakanu, lazim natafaq. We are here to sit and agree on our common interests. Al-maslahat Ruweng Kanu. And there is nothing that I mean by the Ruweng we want. Ma fi shi tani. Haya daga gasidu, Ruweng adena haizinu, ke Ruweng shi shab Ruweng ken yujana, ben tamsil bitaw kullu, shahaji nagij la hajil al-balad. I remain hopeful and strong because I know the resilience of our people will make us succeed.
The Commissioner's representative, James Abdallah then said the conference would unite people for common understanding.
أهم الحاجات هو وحدة مجتمع بتاعت روينج وإنشاء أو إنشاء السلام والوحدة بين الناس. برضو هيساعدنا نناقش في قضايا بتاعت التنمية، كذلك قضايا بتاعت إدارة الموارد، لأن منطقة روينج منطقة غنية بالموارد الطبيعية، وأهمها إدارة الموارد، لأن منطقة رووينغ منطقة غنية بالموارد الطبيعية وأهمها البترول، وبرضه الثروة الغابية والسمكية. كل هذا سنستفيد من هذا المؤتمر في تحقيق الأهداف بتاعت التنمية المنشودة لإدارة رووينغ.
The refugees representative Dawood Isaiah's called on the Ruweng community to cooperate and promote peace and unity.
اثنين، توفير الأراضي الزراعية وسكنية للاجئين. نناشد الحكومة بتوفير متطلبات اللاجئين من الخدمات الملحة.
The committee members said addressing issues through dialogue will pave a way for sustainable development. Jackson Lagu, SSBC News.
Ruweng Community Conference wrap-ups in Paria. Ruweng Community Conference concluded in capital Pariang on Thursday with unanimous agreement and recommendations as roadmap to develop Ruweng administrative area. Jackson Lago reports.
A 4-day Ruweng Community Conference concluded in Pariang on Thursday with a unanimous communique and recommendations to run the government of Ruweng administrative area. Speaking at the closing ceremony, the first Deputy Speaker of the Council of State, Miri Ayan Majok, appreciated the top government for supporting the Ruweng administrative area in running the government affairs.
Allow me first of all to begin by appreciating His Excellency the President of the Republic of South Sudan, Salva Kiir Mayardit, for the recognition and for his continued support for the people and the sacrifices of our veterans and all our heroes and heroines for the land of Ruweng administrative area. This recognition is shown by his continuous fighting for the people of Ruweng to be given this privilege of having their own administrative area.
The National Minister of Road and Bridges, Simon Mijok Majak, called on the Ruweng community to work for peace and development.
I'm reminding the gathering the first criteria of any nation is security. So impartial public servant and impartial police, the rule of law. That is what makes the big nation. The rest come automatic. Number 3, if you have a productive official and then the rule of law, then you have a flourishing economy. Number 3.
The head of Administration for Finance and Planning, Simon Cholmalit, described the conference as a unifying factor.
And they will continue to celebrate, and you see them, you can see everyone dancing around here. That's the fact, that will glue them together, and this memory will go down in history as they used to be.
A delegate, Adol Bolagan, said the conference will pave a way toward the development of Ruweng administrative area.
Really, they want to define themselves what they want, not all the politicians, but all the people. Like here we are presenting women, youth, the chiefs, the religious leader. We are here as a people of Ruweng, regardless of where we are coming from. Even the other political parties are here. But the main values here, because we are Ruweng people, we want to define ourselves and we want to know what do we want for this administrative area.
The community members said security and infrastructure development are the top priority. Jackson Lagu, SSBC News.
Delegates from various counties in Ruweng administrative area are attending a 3-day conference in Pariang. Deng Dud has more in the following report.
Hundreds of delegates from various counties of Ruweng administrative area gathered on the third day of the Ruweng Community Dialogue in Pariang on Wednesday. Speaking to the media shortly after the end of today's session, the member of Revitalized Transitional National Legislative Assembly, Georgette Lat Meding, encouraged people of Ruweng to continue discussing topics of the conference with respect of individuals' opinions and views till the end of the conference.
والآن كان نتكلم في إدارية الروينج عن المؤتمر، والمؤتمر هو فعلا مؤتمر ناجح فيه أجندات كثيرة. الأجندة الأول هو بيتكلم عن السلام بيننا نحن كأبناء الروينج، والأجندة الثانية بيتكلم عن كيف نحن نحكم أنفسنا في القيادات. الجنة الثالث كيف نحن برضو نعمل كيف ندير البلد ده من حيث الإدارية في مجال السلاطين وكيف نحكم أنفسنا.
The head administrator for local government and law enforcement in Ruweng administrative area, Nyanbol Make, assured the public that the conference would establish strong customary laws and strengthen governance system in Ruweng administrative area.
الشامل كده المؤتمر مفيد جدا، ونحن كنا بنطالب من زمان بنطالب في المؤتمر ده عشان يسوي المؤتمر. طبعا بيخلق لنا وحده، بيجيب لنا سلام، بيجيب لنا روح بتاع كوبريشن. احنا بنعمل كوبريشن مع بعض المجتمع والحكومه.
The Commissioner of Lake Nile County, Fidel Quith, expressed the event was colorful and hopeful to bring change in Ruweng administrative area.
As we are for today, we are discussing the three topics for yesterday: the constitution, the constitution of the Ruweng, and also the reviewing of the customary law for Ruweng community.
Engineer Simon Moilwak Mijok, who is the member of the delegate, says the conference will bring unity and peace amongst people of Ruweng themselves.
The presentation went well, and the more the discussion was done, according to my view, as the delegates and the participants of this colorful conference, the conference went well. People expressed their view. It was good. The chance was given to everybody.
Many speakers expressed this conference will bring big changes in Ruweng administrative area. For SSBC, Ruweng.